introduce yourself?
My name is Kanak Kalra.
Myself, Anji Gata. Myself, I am Jain. Myself, I am Jain.
So these guys are ready to do an activity for Gurpurab. So let's get started. So they are being distributed the sheets. कोई नहीं देखेगा. इसको ऐसे ही पड़ा रहने देना है. Take one sheet. Take one sheet. Take one sheet. No cheating, guys.
Okay.
So your time starts now. Vivan, you're not supposed to. Who is going to be the first? Oh, Ayan is so serious.
It's very difficult to find your ball. Yeah.
But you've already found so many. Very good, Vian. ये लिटिल चैंपियन तो बड़े अच्छा कर रहा है.
Thank God, my goodness.
Kanav, be fast. Anvi, you're also going very slow. Till now, Ayan is leading. Very good, Ayan. क्या हुआ?
I am not able to find a single bottle.
चलो guys, it's already 5 minutes. Do you need to find this word? But it's not in my head. I think you can leave that. अच्छा, ये लास्ट में ना नानक वर्ड लिखा हुआ है ना, ये वाला छोड़ दो, नानक वाला छोड़ दो, ब्रैकेट वाला. यू कैन कट दैट. NANAK जो लिखा हुआ है ना, हाँ जी, लास्ट में वो ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है, वो चाहे कट कर दो, शायद वो नहीं है इसमें. Guys, it's 6 minutes. Fast.
It's very difficult to find a single word.
जल्दी करो. Okay, what is the status up to now? किसने कितने कितने ढूंढे हैं? अयान,
8.
आनवी,
8.
कनव.
1.
Okay, very good. Go. Go, go, go. चलो चलो. Till now, it's a tie between Ayan and Anvi. It's already 7 minutes. 2 minutes और हैं बस, उससे ज़्यादा का टाइम नहीं दूंगी मैं. जितने मिल गए बस उसी में से विनर निकाल देना.
हाँ, मिल गया. यही ढूंढ रहा था मैं.
कितने हो गए अयान?
10.
ओ वेरी गुड. अयान भी कितने हो गए?
It's now 8 only.
ओहो. कनव कितने हो गए?
5.
फास्ट. वियान कितने हो गए? वानी, देखो ध्यान से देखो.
9.
It's already 8 minutes.
Last minute. One word, one word. No, 10 minutes. You should give 2 minutes more.
Yes, Ayan, you can do it.
Oh my God, so difficult. Oh, 10th also. What? I found 10th also. Coming.
जल्दी कनव.
Only 3, only 4 left.
Only 4 left. Total how many? 14 words are there.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Ayan, how many left?
14, 4.
जल्दी करो.
Jugar, such, Sebhang and Ajuni are very difficult to find. Ajuni. Heavy such is very difficult to find. No, it is very easy. I found. I found a good such. What? Where and we would find heavy such.
It's 10 minutes. चलो rest you find at your places. So how many? Final score. Kana, final score.
No final score. No
It's final score. It's been 10 minutes.
No.
Kana, what is the final score?
12. You gave me
6.
9, 12.
Ayan, what is the final?
She is cheating. Yes, this is not fair. Mine is not fair. In between you asking the questions also, and that's your fault.
So that's only the game now.
Give us only 2 minutes more. Only last 2 minutes. Yes.
Kana, fast. Vyan, jaldi karo.
Where is Job? Oh, I found 11. My God.
Concentrate on one word. ठीक है? And then try to find that one word in the whole word search. Don't rush.
I found the word like this.
Anvi, how many left?
Only 3, but see, this word is there and here is J. This whole word is here, you can see, but there is a J over here.
There might be some mistake in the sheet. I'm not sure.
The word is not there in the whole word search. Jump now? Yeah. And
Nahi, Jugad such I have found. It is there. It is there.
I have also found.
Who has found Ajuni?
No, I have not found it.
Kanaf, Ajuni मिल गया?
जुगाड़ सच भी मिल गया.
जुगाद सच तो मेरे सामने पड़ा है, दिख गया मुझे. अजूनी मिला है किसी को?
नहीं. Oh, I also found now. What? जुगाड़ सच. Actually, there was
कितने रह गए अनवी? Only one is left.
Yeah, no, 2. Ajuni.
Jap and Ajuni.
Yeah. Jump is not there in the whole sheet and not Ajuni. And now this will be the search. And Jump and Ajuni I can't find.
So 2 left.
Yeah.
How many left, Ayan? 4 left. Kanaf? 6 अभी ढूंढे हैं कि 6 left है? 6 left. Guys, it's been 13 minutes.
Oh yeah, I found Jump. Only one word left.
Very good. Very good. It's 13 minutes since we have started. Jap, ठीक है. Anvi has found Jap, yes.
See, I only seeing my sheet.
He's sitting so far off. He can't see your sheet.
I can't find the Juni because there are no double O. Only these 2 are there, and I found the whole sheet. I started with it so because it's easy to find double O, but it's not there.
How many left?
That much only. See, there is no. The word Ajuni is not there only.
Okay, so it's 14 minutes till now.
Okay,
And-
1 more minute. Let's complete in 15 minutes.
ठीक है.
20.
No.
I'm not able to find a Juni. That's very, very, very difficult.
30 more seconds left. 30 seconds left. वियान आप घर से ढूंढ के लाओगे ये, ठीक है? वियान, घर से without anybody's help you have to complete this activity sheet, okay? आपको आना चाहिए ढूंढना.
Very difficult to find and maybe such.
3, 2, नहीं 5, 4. चलो guys, it's 15 minutes.
Now
So
countdown, please start.
नहीं, it's already done.
Okay. So what?
Who is the winner? Who is the winner?
I have found total 13 and only one is left out.
Okay, Ayan, how many?
10.
You found 10.
7.
You found 7. Okay, and Vian has found 1 and he will complete the rest at home. अच्छा, फिर मेरे को ये बताओ, ये करा क्या आपने? What is this activity actually?
Whole mantra of 6. They usually say it in Gurdwaras for praying.
So can you repeat this once?
Yes. Okay. Shall I repeat?
Yes.
The first one. Eguntar Satnam Karta Murat Nirvay Akal Murat
अकाल मूरत,
Akal Murat Ajuni Sebham Gur Prasad Jap Aad Sach Jugat Sach
जुगाद सच,
Jugat Sach है भी सच होसी भी सच
नानक होसी भी सच. I think it would be better if you all can repeat this together.
Okay. Eguntar Satnam Karta Murat Nirvay Akal Murat Ajuni Sebham Gur Prasad Jap Aad Sach Jugad Sach है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच.
Thank you guys.
Welcome.
I hope you enjoyed the activity.
Yes, it was great fun.
Great. See you guys with some another activity. Thank you guys for participating. Bye.
Bye.